you really do have feelings for your sister boyfriend. I really do. Hey guys, what's up, what's poppin', what's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you see by the title and the thumbnail, guys, I'm about to answer your questions. So I'm going to ask on my Instagram and also on my YouTube to ask me some questions. I don't know I'm answer and do that, so I'll go do that right now. But before we jump into the video, guys, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S. Links gonna be down in the description and also on the screen. So make sure to go ahead, follow me over on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel right now. So let's get it. Hey guys, what's up, what's poppin', what's not stop? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, so just splash the subscribe button. Anyway, so I don't listen to the title and the thumbnail. I'm gonna answer the question. So every month I normally do a Q&A or updated Q&A or whatever, but I don't think I did do none last month or whatever. So I asked for my Instagram and also for my YouTube. So I asked me some new question when they never yet asked me before. I'm gonna do that. So but I asked some whole heap and I not remember or know how to pronounce everybody's name, so I just have to read the question them. You must know yourself and know what kind of question they ask me. So I could do that right now. No more chatting. I can answer it as honest as possible. So let's do that. So I'm gonna get the easy one them out of the way first or whatever. So somebody say, who edit your videos? I edit my own videos, guys. I edit my own videos. I use iMovie for edit. I use Phantom for my thumbnail and stuff like that. Once we can pronounce the name, I go call it. So Humble Queen said, Humble_Queen said, have you ever cheated in a relationship? Definitely, without a doubt, 100% yes. Anybody said they've never cheated in a relationship, lie to myself. As well as there are some faithful people out there, but yeah, me cheat in a relationship because a nigga cheat for me, so I cheat back. Let's get that straight. Okay, so somebody say, how can a young YouTuber be successful? Okay, you have to be consistent, you have to be determined, you have to have your own like flow. Not try copying other YouTuber, like make your own trend and stuff like that. And you have to just genuinely be yourself and just you have to make sure say YouTube is something you really want. When you just start, you just go hard and never stop. So yeah. What advice do you got for a new YouTuber? As I say, just be yourself, be pure, be true to who you is, and just be consistent. You know, just be consistent. Jenna Bernard say, what do you look for in a partner? Okay, so I'm looking for loyalty, kindness, good sense of humor, you know, just like things where you know the normal thing everybody look for in a boyfriend and stuff like that. But that's a try to fly through them because I question. Queen B said, what are your plans for 2021? So my plan for 2021 is, as I can say, be a bit bigger and better YouTuber, travel the world more, or you know, even for some Caribbean islands and stuff like that, be more successful, be my own boss, be an entrepreneur and stuff like that. Although I kinda is my own boss. Well, I'm my own boss, but me like expand it, you know, like expand it, branch off in a different business and stuff like that. So what was your career choice going to school? What did you want to become? I bet it was a soldier. I guess that's a soldier because my face always straight and I don't really smile on picture. But no. Well, in primary school, I always want to be a teacher. I don't know why. I don't know why, but growing up out of that, I don't want to be a teacher. But grew out of wanting to be a teacher, and what else I did want to be? Oh, entrepreneur, because I always want to work for myself and stuff like that. So I do that right now. So yeah. Somebody said, why aren't you ready to go into a relationship? I never said I'm not ready, you know, but I'm ready. But I'm ready. So I'm ready. Someone said, did you finish your driving lesson? Can you drive good now? And go Spanish town. Nope. If you want to crash, you give me a car. But I'm not that bad still. I can move the car from point A to point B and stuff like that. I'm not. A two class I go and that was it. Fresh kiddo say, what your zodiac sign? What inspire you to do YouTube? So my zodiac sign is, I'm a Virgo. Most people know I'm born September the 16th, the best month. Born for my daddy's birthday. So what inspired me to start YouTube are other YouTubers, really, and the fact that I'm always Chris today Thursday. I bet you're not started. Thank you. You're not started. Chris today Thursday. Alright. Make sure, Chris. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So other YouTubers inspired me to do YouTube. And not only that, I'm goofy and all them something that I always want to show us me I eat that. And YouTube are the best place to do that. So I say, why not show us me I eat that and get money while doing it? So yep. Somebody say, have you ever been with a girl before? No, I have not, and I will never be with a girl because I'm not a lesbian. I'm not really busy with who want to be with girl or who want to be with boy. I have nothing against no phone life, do not want it, but I will not. Somebody said, what hurts you the most when they kill George Floyd? Oh, Jesus. The fact that they think that our skin tone, the fact that they think that black is a crime. I don't know. I'm not going to elaborate on that. But good question though. So I said, what is your favorite soda? I don't drink soda. I usually do tracks at high school and then my coach did stop me to drink soda from grade 8, I think so. I don't drink soda. I stopped drinking soda from grade 8. But when I usually drink it, I love grape and fruit punch. How many siblings do you have? I got 5 sisters, no brothers. I have stepbrother though, but I don't have brother. Somewhere you have always wanted to go. Well, we go Maldives and we go. So the other places then we want to go like different types of Caribbean islands. You know, so yeah. We want to start take trips to different Caribbean islands. So I said, what did you want to become? Okay, read that already. Somebody said, which team do you have enjoyed playing netball for? Okay, so most of them I've been playing netball from primary school and also high school, but we're not gonna count that. I started playing like professional netball in a grade 8 for a club, which was my previous club. So we did like play for them too, but the best club where me go play netball is I'm gonna pass that. But I love my club with me there. I love my club with me there right now. Yep. So I said, what age do you have your first boyfriend? Me a bad guy from a little. From me a 2, my uncle man. From me a 2 years old, my boyfriend. What do you like most about yourself? My personality. Because I'm an idiot, I'm goofy, so I like my personality. Who are the most important people in your life right now? Families, I'm close friends. Families, I'm close friends, and my supporters, you know, my subscribers, my supporters. Yep. Somebody said, do you have a boyfriend? Why do you keep on asking me that question? Like, we can't answer the question there right now. So you all need to stop. Somebody said, you really did a prank with her. You really do have feelings for your sister, brother, boyfriend. I really do not. Okay, that's my sister boyfriend. I love my sister and my sister boyfriend and my brother. We just not prank her because I know so that card, if I pull that card, it really gonna get to her. And I did funny and I did like it. So I'm gonna clarify this right now. I have no type of feelings at all for my sister boyfriend. It was just a prank. Yeah, it is what it is, and I can just stop asking about that. Never had feelings, never will have feelings, and nothing like that. My sister man, I'm a sister man. I will eat more questions in about some of them there. I can't but answer, like, honestly. Someone said, what do you like doing other than doing YouTube? Play netball. Yep. Someone said, where is Abby? I haven't seen her in a while. I feel like she big, you know, so I will move up. Well, she been in a live with her and something. I even had to say Abby too. She had to come up on me, so. But she good though. She am looking if you're good. So I said, do you go barefoot sometimes? Yeah, barefoot all the time. Unless I go up on the road. So I say, you too pretty. Hope you have a good day. Thank you. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red or burgundy. Somebody said, how old are you? I'm 20, okay? I'm 2-0. 2-0. I'm 2-0. 2-0? Like, seriously? 2-0. What annoys you? Jealousy. When people jealous over me for nothing at all. Honestly. Bad mind. And lies. Honestly. But anyways, I'm just like wrap up that video, guys. I'm just fly through that real quick so I can have a next video for watching me. But thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, thank you for leaving your positivity down below. Follow me on my Instagram, guys. I really kind of feel drained right now, so yeah. Peace.